Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how can I add my own music to Instagram story. If you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. In order to do this, you first need to head over to any editor that you have. So I have this editor right here, and I have this particular image that I want to actually post in my Instagram story. If I want to add my own music, I can head over and click on this audio right here, click on this music, and then just select the music that I want to add. So for example, for me, I want to add this particular music of mine right here. So just click on that, and as you can see, it will be added. So you can edit out the video all you want. After that, click on this export right here, and then it will actually export your video that you have created, and you should be able to post it. Now let's head over right here to our Instagram. Click on this your story right here. Once you have clicked on that, just locate the story that you have just created, which is this one. And then once you have done that, click on this your stories right here in order to successfully post this to your story right here. So let's share this, and done. And as you can see, you have now uploaded that. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.